Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here, and today I'm going to talk about Testing Daily, the tester's homepage. As a part of today's session, we will see like what is Testing Daily and how it is helpful to QA people. Friends, if I ask you one question, how you keep yourself updated with the latest QA content? So you can definitely tell the name of your YouTube channels or the blogs which you follow on day-to-day basis. But sometimes we know that it is too difficult to catch up with the latest content for that particular YouTube channel or the blog. Okay. So to overcome these problems, there is a one-stop solution, which is the Testing Daily. On the Testing Daily, we can get all the latest content from the QA fields on day-to-day basis. Okay. So let's see like how the Testing Daily page looks and how it is helpful to all of us. This innovative idea is from Sanjay Kumar. So basically he created Testing Daily, which is definitely helpful for all QA people. I hope you already know Sanjay. So he's Sanjay Kumar. So he created many other tools which are making a lot of difference in QA's day-to-day life, like Selector Hub, Test Case Studio, Page Load Timer, Check My Links, Auto Test Data. You can definitely explore these tools, or I believe you may be already using these tools in your day-to-day work. Okay. Now I will talk about this Testing Daily. So how it is helpful to all of us. So let me go to selectorhub.com. Okay, so these are the list of the tools which are developed by Sanjay. Here, let's focus on this Testing Daily as of now. If I open this Testing Daily, so this is the home page of Testing Daily, and it says like Testing Daily, the tester's homepage. So what is happening here, guys? So if anyone is uploading any content that are related to the testing field, which comes automatically as a feed on this page. Okay, so content can be from YouTube, content can be from blogs. Okay, so content from any other materials as well. Okay, and we can install this tool as an extension in our browser. Okay, I personally believe that it is a very good idea to have this kind of extension in your browser, because what happens, so let's say I open this Sage browser. By default it comes up with a lot of contents which are not helpful to us at all, but these content have very catchy titles or the images, so you cannot register yourself by clicking over these links. Okay, and eventually spend a lot of times to just browsing unnecessary content which are not adding any value to our knowledge, or just it is a wastage of time for us. My thought process here is that rather than watching these unnecessary content and wasting your time, we should watch something which is helpful for our career and future goals. So for that, Testing Daily is the best place. So how we can install it in our browser? So let's go to this Selector Hub. Okay, click on this install button. Testing Daily is available for Android devices as well as the iPhones. Okay, along with that, it supports all the browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, Brave, Tor. So as I am working on Edge, so let's click on this Edge and click on this Get, Add Extension, and we need to click on this Turn On option. All right, close it, and let's close the browser. Okay, and let me reopen the Edge browser again. So as soon as we open the browser, so here you can see like we are getting the content from the different YouTube channels, blogs, events are ongoing for the QA. Along with that, it has a tab for jobs as well. So I believe it will be definitely very helpful for you, and it will add value for your career and a better utilization of your time. Along with that, it has many options like what are the popular content, what are the most upvoted, what are the best discussions, what is the generative AI. There's a lot of topics. Okay, there are bookmarks. You can bookmark the content as well, and they provide the supports as well. Like if you are facing any issues during the installation, or if you have any suggestions, so definitely you can use these links. Okay. So all in all, I will say it is a centralized place where you can get all the latest tools, technologies, events, and trends on a single page. So I strongly recommend that we should have this testers daily extension in our browser so that we can effectively utilize our time, which will help us to achieve our future goals. So friends, that's it for today's video. I hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.